best EDC knife is one of those utility tools that you may not realize how much you need until you start carrying it yourself. EDC means everyday carry, and it refers to a pocket knife that is designed for a variety of purposes that you can hide on your purse when going out or even when you are planning to go camping or hunting. Despite the diminutive sizes, these knives are very capable of just about anything you can think of, from being used indoors for simple tasks like cutting up fruit to harder jobs like setting up things for tenting when out in the wild. Finally, EDC knives are folding knives that can comfortably fit in your pocket. These knives are lightweight, compact, multifunctional, and durable. Because of this design, you'll be easy to access and use quickly. All in all, this will make it ideal for your daily use. Here we have a list of 5 best EDC knives to help you.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The Spyderco C81GPDGY2 is a better version of every other knife seen coming out of Spyderco. It has an undeniable world-class sharp edge and it is infamous for its secure grip. It also includes a pocket clip to make it an EDC knife as well as one that can be used to survive out in the wilderness. It is a sturdy knife with a hard and razor-sharp blade along with a comfortable G10 handle, and the overall length of the handle is 4.82 inches. The blade's edge has a shape of a clip point and the item weighs around 0.45 pounds. This is an extremely lightweight blade with a dimension of 8.29 by 1 by 1.5 inches. This knife boasts a flat-ground CPM S30V blade with an easily indexed 0.57 inches Spyderco round hole for gloved or large hands. Plus, it comes with a pocket clip that can be positioned in 4 ways and tucks all the way inside the pocket very tight. The length of the blade is 3.42 inches and the overall length of the blade is 8.24 inches. This knife delivers its user with precision as well as sharpness. This blade features a fiberglass handle that has been narrowed at the end, improving the ergonomics of the knife. This knife is simple to use, which provides its user extreme strength, reliability, and ease of wielding the knife. Even it comes with a compression lock like a liner lock and is located on the spine of the knife. Additionally, this is the ideal EDC knife that can be used for many tasks like slicing through rock-hard food, rope, and can be used as a screwdriver. Also, an extremely sharp edge with the ability to withstand whatever is put in front of it is what makes it so special and one of the best EDC knives out there. So you can confidently buy into this knife as it is everything you can hope for in an impressive knife and more. The CRKT M2114 SFG folding pocket knife is an excellent EDC knife. This blade has been designed by the popular Kit Carson in Vine Grove, Kentucky. He has made several knives and designed them from scratch over the years. With the stainless steel blade, this knife's extremely sharp edge has weft serration on it. This proves the blade has superior cutting power over any material like rope and straps. The blade is similar to others from CRKT, but it vastly differs in characteristics. The M21 design has a Carson flipper, which is essentially an automated liner safety mechanism on the knife designed to hold the knife together when open. This will make this knife one of your personal choices in the list of the best high-end EDC knives. Because the length of the blade is 3.99 inches, and when it comes to the dimensions of the blade itself, it has a closed length of 5.375 inches and an open length of 9.25 inches. The blade itself is 6.1 ounces, which is around 172.93 grams. Also, the blade features a thickness of 0.14 inches with a hollow grind. It comes with a handle of one of the foremost high-end EDC knives because it is a G10 handle made from fiberglass material. Moreover, it has the iconic handle design seen in many other CRKT knives with bored holes in the face. This sets the handle apart from others on the list and delivers it a spatial, comfortable feel. So, if you're looking for one of the best EDC knives, you'll want to look at the CRKT M21 14 SFG EDC folding pocket knife. The Zero Tolerance 0452 Flipper is a streamlined version of the award-winning 0454 folders designed by Dmitry Sinkovich. And the 0452CF EDC knife will not disappoint you. This knife has a 4.13-inch long S35VN steel blade that expresses an outstanding amount of toughness and resistance to the edge, chipping away, improving edge retention. The stainless steel blade makes it a superb companion for hunters and people who want to use it as an everyday carry alike. This knife has an impressive blade finish and highlights the steel, and the blade is 0.156 inches thick. The stain finish applied to this knife helps reduce any trace of stains and scratches on the blade and keeps it fresh. When it comes to the deployment of the blade itself, it is simply deployable using the caged ball bearing, which overcomes a stronger knife detent and makes deployment smooth. Its KVD opening mechanism makes opening the knife with one hand extremely simple and useful in stressful conditions. Furthermore, its handle is carbon fiber with a stone-washed titanium frame lock. This knife also has a convenient pocket clip, making it easy for you to carry it around on your belt or in your pocket. All in all, the Zero Tolerance 0452CF knife is an awesome EDC knife. As a result, many business professionals, law enforcement, and survival experts have used this knife over the years, and it has been a fantastic fit into their collection because of the characteristics held by this knife. In our list of the best EDC knives, we have collected another great knife from CRKT. If you're looking for the perfect knife with a slim blade, then this CRKT Otanashi no-can is definitely for you. It has been designed by James Williams and is extremely different from any other design found in the industry. This knife has a blade thickness of 0.16 inches, which makes it extremely durable and features a hollow grind. And the length of the blade is 4.52 inches. This blade has a 10.13 inches open length with a closed length of 5.61 inches, which can improve your reach exponentially. Also, if you're looking for a blade that is lightweight and fits every hand size, this knife is amazing as it weighs around 6.4 ounces, with a G10 handle exclusive to CRKT knives. In addition, this knife has a frame lock and is easily opened and put into place with one hand. This can be an important factor that can arise if you are supposed to use this knife in dangerous situations. Finally, it also comes with a limited lifetime warranty that covers all and any defects found in the material or workmanship. It can simply be claimed and delivered to the user with surety with purchasing this blade. Overall, it is one of the best EDC knives you can get right now. Lastly, the CRKT Otanashi no-can, for all intents and purposes, will probably be one of your favorite all-around EDC knives. If you're interested in a super light and super compact EDC knife, the legendary Multitool Leatherman will cover you. Leatherman literally took the knife off the Skeletool and included a pocket clip with a bottle opener. So if you are a fan of the Skeletool blade, you'll definitely enjoy this knife. Also, the Skeletool KB is their take on the essential minimalist folding knife that makes it a favorite of hikers, backpackers, and anyone else who want to keep their daily carry as light as possible. This knife is constructed using high-quality 420HC stainless steel, great all-around workhorse steel that is tough and eminently affordable, and thanks to its 3.45-inch folded knife size, At only 1.3 ounces, this knife is likely to be one of the lightest you'll ever own. This makes it perfect for carrying around if need be, something outdoors people will be fond of. The Leatherman Skeletool KB's lock, like all locks on Leatherman tools, is firm and ensures that once the knife is opened, it does not move. This enables the user to simply maneuver and handle their task without any fear or distraction. Moreover, this knife comes with a standard Leatherman warranty for 25 years, so as a buyer, you do not need to worry about the tool suffering from any defect and not being replaced. However, you get the construction quality, the branding, and a great blade at a reasonable price. All in all, the Skeletool KB will be an affordable yet invaluable buy for you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.